So when we load data with the data loader or the data import wizard, and especially if we export data and then clean it up and then we're ready to import it again, or we're getting new data, maybe from an external place, we always want to make sure that we use the correct tool to import it. The data import wizard can do 50,000 records, specific to contacts, cases, leads, accounts, solutions, custom objects as well. And then the data loader can do all of the objects. Data loader can also automate, especially exporting data and importing as well. It can automate it daily. So the data loader can do 5 million records. Now, when we import data, we got to make sure that there's no duplicates. So this is where matching rules and duplicates come into place. First, we have matching rules. Matching rules identify the duplicates. They say, hey, this contact matches this contact. You can choose if it matches fuzzy matching or strict matching, which is where we have, let's say someone's name matches exactly, spelled exactly the same way, or if someone's name is very similar, like an address. If you have an address that's the same street, the same house, maybe it's just missing the state, that might be considered fuzzy, but the other one has the same street, the same house, and the state in there, then that'd be a fuzzy matching rule. Now we have matching rules, then we have duplicate rules. They're super easy to create. Once you create a matching rule, you define what object it goes to, and you need to make it active for it to work. And then what you're going to do is make a duplicate rule related to that object. So that way, when the matching rule finds a duplicate for this criteria, then this is what the duplicate rule says. This is what's going to happen to it. So you fill out the criteria here. Then it tells you, the duplicate rule says, all right, when we have an account that matches the other account in where they're located, then we're going to do something with them. We're going to not let you create a new one, lock creation, merge them together, something like that. So duplicate rules and matching rules are very important for managing data in your org and keeping the data clean.